This is my first question for quantitative aptitude, time and work. Okay. First question. A and B can complete a work in 10 and 20 days. 10 days, A can complete the work. Let's say A and B have to build a house, a small house. A can build a small house in 10 days and B can build a small house in 20 days. They work together for a few days, we don't know. And B leaves. That means that after working for a few days together, B leaves. Okay, he left the work and then the remaining work is done by A in 6 days. Suppose A and B completed, let's say, 50% of the work, 50% of the work for a few days. And then 50% of the work is done by A in how much? 6 days. Okay, the remaining work means, let's say 50% is done by A in 6 days. We have to find the total number of days in which A and B completed the entire work. Okay, 6 days A, we got only one. We got only 1, 6. Okay, and then A and B together for a few days. We have to find this few days. We don't know how many. 6 is already there. If these few days is 5, so the total is 6 plus 5, 11. If these few days means 7, that means 7 plus 6, 13. We have to find these few days. Okay, solution. For A, in 10 days, work equal how much? 1. Okay, this is total work. Okay. For A, in 1 day, work equal 1 divided by 10. Distance is brought here. Okay, in 1 day. For B, in how many days? 20, isn't it? 20 days, work equal 1. 1 means total work. For B, in 1 day, work equal 1 divided by 20. Okay, so now for A and B together, okay, for A and B together, in 1 day, how much do they complete the work? Work equal 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. Okay, so these two numbers multiply here, 10 into 20, and this 20 into 1 cross multiply, 20 into 1 plus is here, plus 1 into 10, 1 into 10 equal. So 20 plus 1, that's 30 by 10 into 20. Okay, so 0 and 0 is cancelled, so you get how much? 3 by 10 into 20. So A and B together complete in 1 day 3 by 20. In 1 day they complete how much? 3 by 20 of the work. Okay, now they work together for a few days. We have to find this. And B leaves. The remaining work is done by A in 6 days. Okay, for A in 6 days, work is how much? In 1 day it's 1 by 10. Okay, in 2 days it's 2 into 1 by 10. In 3 days it's 3 into 1 by 10. It's 4 days it's 4 by into 1 by 10. In 6 days it's 6 into 1 by 10. Okay, so you just have to multiply 1 day into how many days? Okay, suppose if 100 days, 100 into 1 by 10, it's like that. Okay, so 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 10, so 3 by 5. Okay, so for A in 6 days, work done by A is how much? 3 by 5. Okay, now remaining work equal 1. 1 is total work minus 3 by 5. 5 to 1, 5. 5 equal 5 minus 3 by 5 equal 2 by 5. So two, 3, 6, 2, 4. Yes, the remaining work is how much? 2 by 5. Okay, this is the remaining work. The remaining work is 2 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5. You get 2 by 5. Okay. So now for A and B, 3 by 20 work of the work, okay, 3 by 20 of the work equal how much? How many days? 1 day, isn't it? One, because we have to find the number of days, we will write the work first. If we have to find the work, we write the days first, okay? So we will write here the work first and then day on the left side and the right side, okay? So 3 by 20 of the work is how much? 1 day. 3 by 20 of the work is how much? 1 day. Now for A and B, 2 by 5 of the work. 2 by 5 of the work is how much? 2 by 5 of the work equal this 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 20. 3 by 20, okay? So 2 by 5 into 20 by 3. 5, 4, okay? So 8 by 3 days, okay? So this is the number of days. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means we 2 point something, okay? We'll leave it as it is. So A and B, they complete the work. How much of the work? 2 by 5 of the work in 8 by 3 days, okay? 8 by 3 days. And 6 days, A complete 3 by 5, okay? 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 get 1 day, 1 work, 1 work. 3 by 5 completed by A in 6 days, and 2 by 5 completed by A and B together in 8 by 3 days, okay? So total time means total days, okay? Days here equal 6 done by A and then 8 by 3 done by A and B. 6 plus 8 by 3. 3, 6 you get 18 plus 8 by 3 equal 26 by 3. So you can divide this 3 into 4, 3, 7, 21, 3, 8, 24, okay? So it's how much? Let's say this is 26, so 3, 8, 24, okay? So what's the remainder? 2. So it becomes 3 is here, this is 8, and this is 8, 2 by 3 days, okay? 8, 2 by 3 days, okay? Or you can say 8, 2 by 3 in 1 day is how many hours? 24. 3, 8, okay? It's called 8 days, 16 hours, okay? 8 days, 16 hours. 3, 8, and 4, 2, 8, 16, okay? So this is the answer, okay? 8 days and 8 days and 16 hours. So the total time taken by A and B is 8 days, 16 hours. That means 8 by 3 days completed by A and B first, okay? 8 by 3 means how much? 8 by 3 days completed by A and B first, okay? That means 2 days and 16 hours. 8 by 3, 3, 2, 6. That means 3 days and 16 hours. Okay, this is like 2, this is 3, this is 2. In 3 days, 2 by 2. Into 24 to 12, 24. Okay, 3, 2, 6, that's 2. So 3, sorry, this is 3, this is 2, this is 2. So 2 by 3 into 24, 3, 8 equal to 16, okay? So 2 days, 16 hours, okay? So 2 days, 16 hours is done by whom? By A and B. You see, 8 by 3 days equal 2 days, 16 hours, okay? So 2 days, 16 hours is done by whom? A and B. After that, B left and A complete the work in 6 days. So the total time is 6 plus 2 days, 16 hours is 8 days, 16 hours, okay? So that is the answer.